Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, Div's Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well. And I was gone for a few days. Yes, there were wedding bells in my house, so I was out of town, and I am back. In today's video, we are going to create this super simple glam look using all the new launches from the brand NY Bay. And I'm so eager to try out all the products and show you guys how it worked on me. And I'm back with a bang. I did purchase a lot of makeup, skincare, hair care product during this time because I wanted to try out personally during the wedding season, and I did wanted a really travel friendly stuffs for me to take with me. So I did try out a lot of stuffs. I'm so eager to share all of those with you guys. So without any further delay, let's get started and subscribe to my channel to see more interesting and upcoming videos this month. I do have a bang on videos this month, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. So the first product which I used in this makeup look is this NY Bay Pro Primer Color Correcting Orange Primer, Orange Corrector with the primer. And this is how the packaging looks like. They come in three color shades. They do have green, yellow and orange. Basically it is called as a color corrector as well as a primer. During my application you must have seen that I personally did not feel the color correction happening, but as considered the primer, yes, it did smoothen my face, I mean my skin, and it gave that matte effect, and so that the makeup looks flawless and sits on it on a place. So I did work as a primer, but for the color correcting part I don't really think it did a good job. So if you love something very lightweight primer, very low pigmented or less pigmented orange corrector, then you can try this out. But this is not my absolute favorite, so it's up to you. And this one has like around 15 ml of product and retails for 249. As usual, purple runs sale all the time. Don't pick up products at MRP. Do wait for some sale, and you can get around 40 to 30% offer on all the products. So the next is the newly launched NY Bay Dewy Drops Liquid Foundation. This is how the outer packaging looks like. This is a normal carton packaging, and they do have inner packaging something like this. This is a glass bottle, and it comes up to like around 30 ml of product, and this is the shade 3 Macchiato. And I seriously don't understand what kind of pattern goes on in the foundation shades in NY Bay. I absolutely don't understand. I did pick up some random shade, and as usual and as always, we are nowhere matched to the foundation. So guys, please be aware of the shades. I mean, I can show you how Macchiato looks on my skin. This is number 3, and if you are of my skin tone, then this will not work. Maybe if you are 3 to 4 shades lighter than me, then maybe this works. So this is called as a dewy foundation. This is sheer to medium coverage, absolutely buildable. It has a thick consistency, creamy kind of consistency. It is not a serum type. It can speak it's a dewy foundation, but it did crease a lot around my mouth, around my nose, so it dries up pretty quickly and you have to work on it immediately. I preferably felt Beauty Blender is better than the brush, so it can give you streaks on your skin. So I do not like it, so I preferred the Beauty Blender instead of the brush for application. And this one has 30 ml of product and it retails for 229. This product comes up in 9 shades. I seriously don't understand the shade pattern. It's called cappuccino, it's lighter, it's called white chocolate, it's darker, I mean who knows what. Okay, this is about the foundation. They come up in 9 shades, and this one is 3 Macchiato. Let's get to the next product, and this is their NY Bay Conquer Conceal and Conquer Liquid Concealer, and I do have a separate video on this product. I don't know why this product is not hyped, but I don't really find it anywhere on YouTube. They do have that old old version of concealers, but this one doesn't seem to be existing even on the website, or I mean, no one speaks about it. I don't know, something's weird about this concealer, but I did try out this way long back. I don't remember when, but I do have a separate video on this product. You can check it out. This is kind of a medium coverage. Again, it really doesn't, conceal your dark circles. Maybe you need to build it up, and they do have like around 8 shades. This is the last but one shade, 07 Cocoa Powder. The last one is Hot Chocolate, and this is something like this, and it has a light orange and yellow undertone. It will not look good on the cool or the neutral undertone because it has a lot of orange and yellow undertone. Again, this product retails for 225 rupees and has 4 ml of product. That's pretty much, and they do have a lot of claims like full coverage, waterproof, UV effect, quick dry formula, lightweight. I think it's not very dewy because it dries off really quickly. If you need to blend it in really fast, and otherwise it is going to dry and crease your lower, under eye area or around the nose, which is already dry. So yeah, I would give like around 3 or 2.5 on 5 for this product. It's okay for the price I paid. Like I paid around 175 rupees. I think that's okay. Next product is their new launch again. This is the NYB Runway Radiance Compact Powder. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. I did really love the inner packaging. I mean, this is so sleek and so sturdy. I have never seen an NYB product before like this. This is like absolute super good, and they do have a mirror which serves an exact purpose of compact. So I just love the mirror. Even the mirror is kind of the big size, and I just love the size of the mirror and the packaging, and I just loved it. This is a good product from NYB again, and this one has like 9 grams of product and retails for 199. Absolutely bang on. And they do come in like 6 shades. They do have caramel, toffee, and honey for the medium and dark skin. I just loved it. So as I told you, when it comes to compact, don't really go on for darker shades or like exact skin tone. It's better to choose 1 or 2 shades lighter for your skin tone when it comes to compact. So I did choose honey. This is 04 honey. It's a perfect match, and it did brighten up my skin, and I just love how the way it looked. This is a bang on product and absolutely must try from NYB's new range. So we'll move on to the next product, that's blush, and again this is a new launch from NYB. This is the NYB Sunset Skyline Blush, and this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. The inner packaging is absolutely stunning, again with the normal plastic packaging, which is absolutely travel friendly. I just loved this so much. It just served my purpose, and I did take this product for the wedding with me, and it was absolutely stunning. They do have like around 7 shades of blushes. Believe it or not, this is a big number on shades in blush, and this is I think 06 if I'm not wrong. Yes, it's 06 Coral Sunset, and there's another 07, again a very dark coral color, but this one looks absolutely too good on me, and the pigmentation, everything is very nice. I just love the blush. Give this a try. This is a matte powder blush which is perfect for your everyday, your party looks, anything for that matter. If you are medium to dark skin, this is a must try product from NYB. The blush retails for 230 rupees and has 5 grams of product, and I remember guys, there's always sale running in Purple. You can choose these products on a sale. So moving on to our next product, again this is a bang on the markup product. I just loved it. This is the NYB Shine and Shimmer Highlighter, and this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. And again, the packaging is very sturdy. I just love the inner packaging, and this comes with a see-through kind of cover so that you can see the product's shade or whatever is from inside. And since the blush and the highlighter are of the same size in packaging, this one comes with a transparent cover, so that lid, so that you can see the product inside. So don't get confused of the blush and the highlighter, so no need of searching and stuff like that. So this is in the shade, if I'm not wrong, 04, some Bronze Beauty, and so they do come in 4 shades, and the first one is silver for the lighter skin, and this one is 04 for the darkest or deeper skins. And this is a very nice bronzy shimmer. I just loved it. It's highly pigmented, very nice golden bronzy highlighter just for the deep and dark skins. I just love this product. Sure must try on product from the new NYB range. And this one has like 5 grams of product, retails for 275. I think this is again a bang on product from the new launches in NYB. Since I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, I did not purchase one. If you love to have one from NYB, you can try out, but I personally don't like the pigmentation and the texture of the product. Let's move on to the eye products. I did get a free gift of this NYB blinking eyeshadow palette. I mean, this is a single eyeshadow palette, and I did not purchase an eyeshadow because I do have a really nice quality eyeshadows from different brands, and I didn't want to give this a try, but I did luckily got this just to try out how the texture and the feel. I did not like it. I'm glad I did not purchase the palette. But they do have like 4 to 5 palettes which comes in neutral, red, and multiple color eyeshadow palettes. If you want, I will give the details on the screen. You can check out if you would love to buy them, but I personally didn't like it, so never went on it. Okay, the last product is a new product again. This is the NYB Truly Matte Liquid Eyeliner. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. The inner packaging is the usual NYB eyeliner packaging, the NYB Shakti range, and this is number 1 shade bold black. They do have 4 shades together, blue, green, brown, and black. I just love this. This is so dramatic, highly pigmented matte black eyeliner. I just love this. Must try, sure try out the new product from NYB. This one retails for 229, 4.5 ml of product. Again, bang on. I just love. And as usual, I love my NYB, the Apple of Eyes Kajal. This is my recommendation for all the kajal lovers. Do try this out. It's highly pigmented, gives that perfect pigmentation and drama for your eyes. It looks amazing, and it doesn't smudge off that easily. It stays on really for a longer time. I just loved it about it. And apart from that, all the base products of NYB is not very too long lasting, but it can absolutely run up to 4 to 5 hours max in a day. So if you want a makeup product which is completely affordable with a wide range of products to choose from shades to products, I think NYB is a must-try product. But these products are perfect for your everyday use. Office goers can surely use these products and try out, because these are not very long-lasting. It can stay up max up to 4 to 5 hours. After that, it can get worn off. Otherwise, it's not perfect for your party or function kind of looks, but otherwise this can work as your everyday makeup. I did mention about the products which I loved from NYB's new release, and my all-time favorite about the lip product is the NYB Primer Matte Liquid Lipsticks. This one is in the shade Snuggles. I have it on my lips today, and I did use this as my eyeshadow too, and because this gave a real nice neutral look on my eyes, and it was perfect to show up on my dark skin. So this is the techniques that you can use product to do a multitasking. So I just wanted something like that. If you wanted a nice shimmery eyeshadow, you can use the bronzer. You can use the highlighter as your eyeshadow too, but not the chalky eyeshadows which really don't show up, or it looks just clumsy. But you can really create a very nice look using these products I just mentioned about it. Let's start with the makeup, and I'm going to use this new NYB Pro Primer and a color correcting primer. This is in the shade orange. It's not very dark orange, but it's kind of really light. But let me check out how it looks on my face. So I just want it to be corrected. This is very smooth, and it just makes my skin so matte. It's not very hydrating though, not like the Maybelline one or the. So color correcting potion, if you feel that you want a real orange corrector, then this is not going to work because it didn't really cover anything. It just has a little bit of orange tint in it, so it would not do any kind of color correcting. Of course, it does act as a primer because it smoothens your skin. Okay, they do have the NYB Dewy Drops Liquid Foundation. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. I kind of a dewy foundation, so let's check out. You don't have a dropper, you don't have a pump, nothing at all. You have just glass bottle. Okay, now I did take a generous amount, and if you could see if this is my tone, absolutely not. And so this is again a wrong shade, so we don't have any other option. So let's blend it in. So I did add a drop of darker foundation, and I'm just going to mix this because it's absolutely not going to work for me. So I have changed it to this shade. Let's work this out. I feel like I made the foundation a little more darker, but let's manage with the concealer. Again, this is a new concealer, and this is in the shade 07 Cocoa Powder. And yes, this is not a very high coverage concealer as well, but it is better than the foundation, I just feel so. So since we made the foundation little darker, we are going to manage that with because don't forget to use the concealer on the eye sockets, because those are the places which have too much of darkness, and it can look patchy. So don't forget those places. So I don't have any other pigmentations. Let's blend this in. Pretty much okay. The concealer is up to the mark, but it is buildable. It's not high coverage, it's sheer to medium coverage. So before the wet products crease in, you have to set this with the powder. Yes, they do have a new compact as well, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. This is NYB Runway Radiance Compact, and I did get a shade Honey 04. This is how honey looks like. I'm just going to use on your nice fluffy brush to pick up the product. So it comes with a mirror. The packaging was extremely too good. Blush, and this is how it looks like, and this is not shimmery, it's a matte. I preferred a matte blush above all, so I really wanted this one. And in this wedding season, I just love this. I took it out with me, and it really worked magic. Always take the product up and dab for the extras, and then go from your temples to your cheekbones, and absolutely love this color. So this is how the difference looks like. I mean, I just love this. And going a little extra on your blush is trending now, 2022. So get ready for the flush of blush. I did have an old eyebrow pencil from NYB, but I'm not sure where I left it, but I did not purchase because I do have a lot of eyebrow products with me. So let me fill my brows and get back. So I did finish my brows and let's see what I have. I do have a really nice highlighter, and so this is the, so I'm gonna just take it in my highlighter brush, tap the look at that glow, oh my god, it just adds that play. Wow, look at that. I just loved it. So I am going to use a nice brown rusty lip color on my eyes. So this is the Snuggle Secrets liquid lip color. I'm just going to use this as my, I'm going to dab this product and just apply over my lids, and that's it. Look at that. My eyeshadow is done. And I have filled the same color with the lower lash line, and my eyeshadow is done. Simply quickly, our eyeshadow is done. Let's move on to the high eyeliner, and this is the new eyeliner. This is a truly matte liquid eyeliner. I just loved it, and this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. I did love the eyeliner. I mean, it's highly pigmented. You can see the pigmentation, and it just glides in so well, and it gives a real matte, finish. There's no glossy finish. I love, but the bond is not too very comfortable to glide on and give a nice wing. Otherwise, the pigmentation, the price point, and all the other things are absolutely stunning. I just love it. So I'll be using my NYB, the big apple of my eyes, my top favorite kajal, to fill in my lower lash line, and let's get on to the lips later. I don't think NYB have the mascara, so I would just use some random mascara to fill the lashes, and then let's move on. Okay, I do have the Snuggle Secrets and the Rule of Life. This is a rustic shade and this is a nude one, so I'm gonna line this up and fill it in. So let's check how it looks. So this is the finished look, and until here I feel the makeup looks really good, and but I do have a lot of creasing going on around my mouth because the foundation and the concealer became patchy, and I'm not really happy with the particularly the foundation. It is not up to the mark. But overall makeup look, particularly apart from the base makeup, I loved all the colorful things like the blush, the highlighter, and the lipstick, of course, is a top favorite for me. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I just love today's video on creating this makeup look, and until next time, it's bye from Divya.